Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open Marketing Cloud in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the Salesforce website, and basically from there you can find the Salesforce website, and then you will need just to search for the products and then go for the Salesforce Cloud Marketing. So basically, if we go down, we will need to click on see all the products pricing, and from here we will find the marketing cloud, which is the cloud marketing Salesforce. Then you will need to start having first of all a license for the marketing cloud. After choosing, for example, for free, you will need just to click on try for free, and then you will be able to start using your your free trial for this, and then you can start connecting to your Salesforce marketing. So let's go back now to our main page, and from there you can start connecting to your marketing cloud. And after setting up your marketing cloud, you can connect it to your organization if you already have one. So from there you can go to marketing cloud, and basically you click on it, and after that you will need just to add your username. So if you had some username like that, for example, and then you will need just to click on next, and after that you will need just to connect to your organization or marketing cloud, and by that you will be able to open your marketing cloud in Salesforce. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.